Live, local from WPTV. This is Today on 5 at 11. Local coverage you can count on.
It is Monday, so that means it is time for another edition of Healthy, Wealthy, and Wise. And joining me now is Boca Raton resident Carmel Baranoff, host of Living Well with Carmel on PBS. And today, I heard about this segment probably an hour ago. Right. Brownies, healthy brownies, and I have not been able to get my mind off of it since.
Great.
So the ingredients you have here, let's start with that because I am truly mind blown by what you have here.
Okay, so first of all, I have black beans.
That's your secret right there.
And I rinse and drain these. And black beans are so healthy because they have a lot of
Absolutely.
fiber. Yes.
Getting your protein in there as well.
Right.
Next secret ingredient that a lot of people may not think of.
A lot of fiber in oats, too. People don't know. So this is a great ingredient
Now, let me
use.
ask you, are these old-fashioned oats?
No, I just use the quick oats. You can use quick oats, but you can use old-fashioned ones, too. But I use this instead of flour. So on Living Well with Carmel, we don't like to use flours and, white flour, white sugar. So, we don't use like a lot of heavy creams and butters. So I use like coconut oil.
Coconut oil?
Yeah,
okay.
so this is really
And we have the exact measurements on our website, but we'll go ahead and kind of get through some more of the ingredients. I see, of course, the chocolate chips there.
Yeah, I just put them on at the end. I mean, I may went a little too crazy.
Now, what is this? Is this
that
a syrup?
is maple syrup.
Maple syrup. That kind of gives it extra sweetness?
Yes, I use instead of sugar. You can use honey as well. Some people use agave, too. But I love the maple syrup because it does have a lot of minerals in it.
Give me the last couple of ingredients
real
quickly.
And this is just almond milk or cashew milk. You could use just a tablespoon. Cocoa powder, also a lot of minerals in the cocoa powder. And just a little bit of vanilla and just a little bit of salt and baking soda.
Now, I believe I've heard of avocados before, but what really surprises me, the black beans. I don't know that a lot of people have heard about that. When you talk in terms of saving calories, your calorie count a little bit lower,
you definitely save calories without using all the white sugar and, flour.
And well, what about the taste? Can I try?
Yes, I would love for you to try.
How long do you put these in the oven?
Now, we put them in the oven. We preheat the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. And it's so simple because everything just goes in the food processor. It's real quick.
Oh my gosh.
What do you think?
You don't miss a thing. This is amazing.
Right?
Oh my goodness, this is so great.
Okay.
We're going to stay over here. We're going to eat the rest of the platter. I may save you, Roxanne, John, one each. In the meantime, do want to let our viewers know at home that you can find the recipe right now by going to our website at WPTV.com. This is amazing. I am impressed.
I like the way you use
I'm going to save you one just to try. Just one, though.
She uses the brownie as a pointer. I like that. It's very
You're
nice.
not staying over there, by the way. You're bringing that tray over here. Stat.
Eating well, living well.
And saving me one for after weather.
That's right. Can't do the weather with a whole batch in your mouth.
I bet I could.
I've seen you do it.
Well, I think Joe's bringing the tray over to us while you do the weather.
That sounds good. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at both.